Ikai bururi witu wa Kenya ukihanire atia ikai bururi witu wa Kenya urorete nako yani ucio atuika wa kuragwo ni undu wa gukoro ari murata wa muthuriti Rigathi wa Gachagua ayai ni mani kuri undu nahi na maya no mamwe ma maoni na maria marathie na mbere gukoro makirutwo guku nenda-ini ni a Kenya thutha wa gikuo kia ruo gikuo kina kiriga gikuo kimakitie andu aingi na njira nene ni gukorwo gikiyumiria. Indi itana kumithia ndeto ino ya Kieha na maithori yetikiria tu tafadhali ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo gi subscribe thini wa channel ino itu na please ndugakorwo kiriganiro gukorwo kihinya kengere niguo kamukagira mohoro kiri wa mbere indi ciothe riria twakorwo tugigwikirira maria maragikorwo magithie na mbere magikunuka guku thini wa bururi witu wa Kenya ona hihi gukorwo magikunuka guku thini wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Mathaa manini tu thutha wa Rigathi wa Gachagua kuhithuria ati muthenya wa ira haria Blue Post mwena wa Thika maabitha a DCI marenda gukorwo makimuhuhiriria gas niguo hakiri ciake igĩe na kiriganiro na atigo ari mundu utangihota kwanika guko akianika maundu ma magigi na maria Ruto akoretwo agika kuma akioya thirikari kuna korwo mundu ugwitwo Gachagua korwo ni arahuhiririo gas iyo angiranjirie maisha ma guikaraga ta gikabici mundu kigugua kuona gutire undu angiracokire gukorwo akiririkana tene na tene thini wa maisha make. Ona Kenya matarikitie gukorwo magithagumia ndeto ici ciake cia Kieha ceceni ya Mohoro ya NTV nirikitie nayo gukorwo ikikira mbica ino thini wa nenda ciao na igakorwo ikiandika caption na niĩ ngukorwo ngimiquote Catholic priest who hosted Gachagua 2 weeks ago murdered. Catholic priest who hosted Gachagua 2 weeks ago murdered. Na njira ngui ceceni ino ya NTV iraikorirwo ikiuga ati muhunjia uyu na uria ni muhunjia wa Catholic na uria wiriga kunyita ugeni Rigathi wa Gachagua wiki ta igiri uguo hituku na rikitie gukorwo akiuragwo na njira ikiri na kiriga. Ceceni ya NTV igathie na mbere igaikorwo ikiuga na no ngukorwo ngimiquote o ringi Catholic priest who hosted Gachagua 2 weeks ago murdered na no ngukorwo nginyitithania na koti ya DCI regarding to minor body uria ni muhunjia wa kanitha wa kanitha wa Katoliki. Quote, police said his vehicle Subaru is missing and effort to trace it are ongoing. Detectives suspect that the priest was murdered elsewhere and his body dumped at Kikope on the Nakuru-Nairobi highway in Gilgil. According to Gilgil DCI head Haramahamad Wasilwa, the priest's body appeared to have been dumped at the location, raising suspicion that he could have been killed elsewhere. Thutha wa ceceni ya NTV gukorwo ikirekereria ndeto ciena Kieha na kiriga tweka search igie Father John guku nenda-ini niturikitie gukorwo tukiona hatongoria mwanya kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni marikitie gukorwo magicaka mundu ugwitwo Father John thikũ cigana ona hituku na nie ni gukorwo atongoria maigana ona aria makoretwo makirekereria ndumiriri yao ndeto ina takikoretwo ikiumburanitie ta uyu araikorwo akiugo Kafametho Senator Nyandarua akauga, we are in deep shock to learn for the very sudden death of Reverend Father John Maina Ndegwa of Ingwamete Parish. Father Maina hosted His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua EGH and our team at a fortnight ago for the parish's family day. May your soul, my good friend, rest in peace. Na mudogo ito si Siri Karaoke akaekorwa kiandiko, it's with profound sorrow and sadness that I have learned about the sudden demise of my friend Father John Maina. My family and I wish to send our condolences to the faithful of St. Louis Boyman Catholic Church. May God console you. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the broken-hearted and save the crushed in spirit. Rest in peace, Father. Thutha wa Kenya kuigua ndeto ati Father John ni arikitie kuhuruka na gikuo giake gikiri na kiriga kuona ni marakikoriro makirigwo ati mundu ugwitwo Father John akorirwo akikuwa na njire hana atia kuonete wiki igiri hituku cigana ona kuma akorwo akinyita ugeni mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ha niho andu aingi manjite gukorwo magicaka gikuo gia Father uyu guku makirutaga maoni mwanya na nie ni ngukuota Kenya igana ona uria mathiete na na mbere gukorwo makiuga areta uyu arikitie gukorwo akiuga ati na Betinyox akauga you very stupid, we know those who doesn't fear killing. Kama mtu anaweza chomea watu kwa church, ni nini ingine hawezi fanya? Na Roticha kwa Catholic priest who hosted Gachagua 2 weeks ago murdered him. Do information tumepata. Na Edwin Kibet Sang akauga following. Na Honorable Sam Kazungu akauga hey bro, kumpe you are a petty boy, your utterances are so demeaning. Na mudo ogwito githiomi M Simon akauga the problem we have in this country is that when such heinous inhuman acts happen to the most vulnerable, no action is taken. But wait till Sarasia posts something negative about Raila, he is pursued and pounced by a contingent of slaves armed to the teeth. Rest well, man of God, may the vengeance of he that says what we don't descend on you, you are killers. And amudo ogoito Zach Kiariako. Then you see some mad people saying Ruto Kumi bila breaks and a Hirbra Magaki akauga. It was the worst of times, it was the age of foolishness, it was the epoch of incredulity, it was the season of darkness, it was the winter of despair, it was the peak of cruelty, the era of William Ruto. And Agradis Ongeria a priest is to offer help to anyone regardless of impunity or not. He did his part. May God receive his spirit. Whoever did we surrender you to your creator. And Namodo with Paul Kaunda. I believe when a priest ordained, he leaves his family and is owned by God, church and Christ himself. God will serve justice true. Judgment will come from above. And Alfred Moraga kawa evil act killing a satanic spirit. Rest in peace, Father. Na Herenya undia. This is so heartbreaking to hear. May the soul of the priest rest in peace. And Namodo Owe Thomas Chief Ko H Singira. I know we all, a number of us, want Ruto to go home, but this look like a setup. Regardless should be the first suspect. Might have done this so well. All blame the government. Na Amina Mishiguyo akawa this is so heartbreaking to hear. May his soul rest in peace. But why though? Na Modo Ogoto Seprina Mwakireti akawa he visited Gachagua. Did he reveal any of his survival secret to him? If yes, then let him rest in peace. Na Boniface Achotaka, in whose hand are we safe? Rest in peace, priest. And Agetoga Samson akawa very painful. Rest in peace, priest. And again Michael akawa so the priest was last seen with Gachagua. Huko ni kwa mwagi wa Mohoro ni Ngongoyo na gitio kinene ukoge subscribe thini wa channel itu gethoka mukagera Mohoro kirwa mbere hindi ciothe ria twagikorwo tugigwikira maria maragikorwo makihanika guku thini wa nenda ici ciitu cia ukinyaniria. Ni muthenya uria bururi wa Kenya wina Kieha thutha wa mathaa manini tu thutha wa rigathi wa Gachagua kuithuria ati muthenya wa ira o haria Blue Post mwena wa Thika maabitha a DCI marenda gukorwo makimuhuhiriria gas niguo hakiri ciake igie na kiriganiro na atigo ari mundu utangihota kuoneka maundu ma magigi na maria Ruto akoretwo agika kuma akioya thirikari kuona korwo mundu ugwitwo Gachagua buruni arahuhiririo gasi eno ya thumu angirakorirwo mundu tofauti kidogo angirajiririe maisha magwikara ta gikabici mundu kigugua kuona gutire undu angiracokire gukorwo akiririkana tene na tene thini wa maisha make ona Kenya matarikitie gukorwo makithagumia ndeto ici ciake cia Kieha. Ceceni ya Mohoro ya TV nirekitie nayo gukorwo igikira mbica iria ndagikorwo ngikuonia thini wa video eno yothe. Guku ni kwa mwagi wa Mohoro nginya muthenya ungi njitekaga ta mwagi wa Mohoro.